Hey everyone! Have you ever dreamed of building software faster than you can say syntax error? Well, it's time to make that dream come true. If you're a developer, designer, or even a C-suite leader juggling multiple projects and deadlines, you know how tough it can be to write error-free code and get ideas rolling smoothly. But what if I told you there's a tool to do all the heavy lifting for you in minutes? Today, we're looking deep into the Bind AI Lifetime Deal, a game-changer in AI-powered productivity. Let's jump in and discover the magic of Bind AI together. What is Bind AI? Bind AI is an AI-powered copilot designed to streamline coding, content creation, and web development tasks. Leveraging advanced AI models like GPT-4o, Claude Sonnet 3.5, and Llama 3, Bind AI helps users generate clean, efficient code in 70-plus programming languages, build landing pages, and create technical documentation. It integrates seamlessly with tools like GitHub and Google Drive, allowing synchronized project management. With built-in code and document editors, Bind AI supports faster workflows, making it ideal for developers, designers, and professionals who want to boost productivity and simplify complex tasks. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo. Bind AI is available at an unbeatable price on AppSumo. Normally, advanced tools like this would cost hundreds, but with AppSumo, you get it for a fraction of the price. And it's a lifetime deal. Pay once, and you're set. So, let's break down the different Bind AI plans available on AppSumo and what features each one includes. License Tier 1. Price, $39, down from $108, ideal for smaller projects or those just getting started. You get 200,000 compute points per month, 200,000 total tokens ingested, 50 code executions per month, 1 custom GPT with AI Studio. License Tier 2. Price, $119, down from $216. Tier 2 is designed for growing teams and projects that require more power, 1 million compute points per month, 1,500,000 total tokens ingested, 100 code executions per month, 5 custom GPTs with AI Studio, up to 2 integrations with GitHub or Google Drive. Bring your own OpenAI and Claude API keys. License Tier 3. Price, $279, down from $468. This premium tier is for larger projects and companies needing top-tier resources, 3 million compute points per month, 5 million total tokens ingested, unlimited code executions per month, unlimited custom GPTs with AI Studio, unlimited integrations, bring your own OpenAI and Claude API keys. A 60-day money-back guarantee backs all 3 plans, so you can try Bind AI worry-free and see if it's the right fit for you. For most impressive features of Bind AI. Access to cutting-edge AI models. Bind AI grants access to over 15 of the latest AI models like GPT-4o, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and Llama 3, letting you tackle any technical task with ease. Multi-language code generation. Generate clean, efficient code in 70-plus programming languages, including Python, HTML, JavaScript, and Swift. The code editor also lets you test and debug instantly. Real-time HTML and email previews. Design beautiful landing pages and preview HTML emails in real time to ensure they look just right. Perfect for web designers and marketers. Seamless GitHub and Google Drive integration. Sync your projects with GitHub and Google Drive to keep everything organized. Bind AI learns from your data and keeps all documentation up to date. Who can benefit from Bind AI? Software developers, web designers, marketing teams, project managers, C-suite executives, freelancers, content creators. Grab an extra 10% off the Bind AI deal on AppSumo. On top of this incredible deal, there's a way to snag an additional 10% off your purchase. How to get the extra discount? Visit the Bind AI Lifetime Deal page on AppSumo. Look for the pop-up bar that offers a discount when you enter your email. Enter your active email address and follow the steps for the extra savings. That's it, you're ready to get the most out of Bind AI and save even more. Bind AI reviews on AppSumo. Are you still on the fence? Don't wait too long. The Bind AI lifetime deal is a limited time offer, and once it's gone, it's gone. Check out the description below for the AppSumo link and more details. Grab the Bind AI lifetime deal and take your workflow to the next level. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Happy coding!